The one concern at the YouTube comment space was this today. So, what is the difference between scale and absolute? Absolutes are the extreme poles of the scale. For example, all, most, many, a few, few. So the extreme end, all nurses are expected to wear masks is absolute expression. Few nurses are expected to wear masks. Few is the lower extreme. Some people have a doubt. Father is saying about scale, then he is saying absolute. Scale, he says, scale is sweet and tasty and nice. You have to use scale as a strategy. But he says absolute is very bad. They immediately eliminate. Now this absolute is seen in the scale. Why Father is saying to love the scale and kill the absolutes. So this is the reason. The extreme poles, the highest pole, all, and few, the lowest pole, no one. Few means no one. These are the absolutes. Two extreme ends of scale expressions are known as the absolutes. Is that clear? Yeah. So admins, please look into the chat as well if there is some concerns. How can I join your classes? Please reply me. You are in the class, Amma. Whoever is asking, you are in the class. Okay. For Zoom classes, you have the Zoom link being shared in the main platform. Schedule is given, and normally Arya we will give the Zoom link in advance. Maybe tomorrow we will be going live. After that, the Zoom link will be given. You can use the same, the comment space, you have the link, save it in your pocket. That same link will be used throughout these segments for the whole schedule. And schedule is given in the main platform. Just check pinned notices. Pin means on top of the title, just below the title, Edu Skills OET International, there is a pinned message column. You just click there, you will find the pinned messages. Or if you observe, just scroll every day, the schedule is posted. Father, can you explain it again? Or is asking, can you explain it again? Is about scale, right? Someone is asking me to explain again the absolute and scale. See here, all is absolute. Whereas this is scale. All, most, majority, minority, a few means some, few means no one, zero. So this extreme, few and all are known as absolutes. If those expressions are found in any of the answer options, that can be immediately eliminated. But the meaning should be absolute. All the nurses are not expected to do night duty means the meaning is some nurses are expected to do night duty today. Some is not absolute. Okay, some is not absolute, not the extreme pole. So even if these words are used, you should see that the meaning is absolute as well. Meaning is absolute as well. Did I make sense? Those who asked me to explain again. In simple, in short, the extreme poles of scale expression is known as absolute. Always, never. Always is the reason, then never is the other extreme. So they are known as absolutes.